Hi, this is Kim from Reality Travel. Hi, coming to you from Iceland. Yes, I'm in Reykjavik. And I just left my place, and let's see if I can steady the camera and zoom in on some of these mountains, volcanic mountains. Beautiful, right? And just give you a little view of the town here, which I think is nice in itself. I mean, it is what it is. And over there you have the water, the boats. Let's see if we can zoom in there. I'll walk over there. But right now the temperature is 6 degrees, and I think the wind chill's probably about 10 below or so. This truck will by. And here's a Papa's restaurant. I'm just gonna go down a little further, and I want to just, a lot of people that don't like to come to Iceland, they don't like to come because a lot of people say it's too cold. And I don't know, it is cold, but that's a flower gift and coffee shop there. Let's see what else we got. Well, here's another fish restaurant. I think I'll go in there today. Let's see what this is up here. Let's bring the camera a little closer and see. I gotta go around. Well, let's just get over here first. I want to get those mountains. So beautiful. But there's a lot of molten rock, a lot of lava destruction that you can see on the ground. And because I've never seen it, in real life, I of course was kind of excited to see it. Be able to stand right in front of it and bring it up some more. There. So like I said, the temperature might be about 10-15 below with the wind chill factor. But if you live in most parts of North America, you're prepared for this kind of weather. So it really wouldn't be a surprise. And I kind of wanted to walk a little further. When it's that cold, I limit my walk to maybe 1 mile to 2 miles, because I don't have the proper wear that will hold up to this kind of weather. I need gloves with heated batteries in it, and I need gloves with batteries. I just wanted to get another picture. So now we're gonna go over first aid. Let's see, street sign. Fish and chip. You won't see a lot of people walking out here, I guarantee you that. I guess they're kind of smarter than me, huh? That's okay. It's not like I'm gonna be here forever. But let's go over to the water. Let's walk our way over here. There's a lot of people that come here to Iceland, and I just don't know anyone that come, and sure they do some skiing. When my fingers start to get cold, then I'll put the camera away. Okay, so that sign says minus 3.4 centigrade, so that's I think that's about Well, that's minus, yeah. I think that's about maybe 6 degrees, 6 or 8 degrees Fahrenheit. As you see, you got a lot of molten rock. Which is pretty much all over the place. Let's see how far I can go. Not sure how far. I don't think I can go too far over there, but I can get a better picture here. Oh, there's a truck coming home. Okay. Here. This is the time to sing that song. Baby, it's cold outside. Honey, it's cold outside. Mamma mia, it's cold outside. Okay. Let's go over and see what we can get picture of this. I guess boats come through here for. Oh, I can walk up here. Can I walk up here? Yeah. I wanted to make sure it was not slippery. Looks like there's some ice over it, but it's not. Okay. And this is interesting, right? This is Kim from Reality Travel, coming to you from Iceland, Reykjavik, however you pronounce it. That's where I am right now. Yeah. I'm dressed pretty warm. The only place I'm actually feeling cold right now are on my fingertips. You know, I have on my winter boots, pants, my longer jacket, coat, my down coat. Okay, well, that's about it for right now. Thank you for watching. Watch my other videos on YouTube. Kim from Reality Travel, coming to you from Iceland, out. Bye.